All right, we're back in our little woodsy area behind the cabins, and she's found her a space to run, boy. Oh my goodness!
It's so cute. Come here. Come here, pretty girl. Oh my goodness. She's having so much fun back here. It is great. Watching her frolic in the leaves. Oh my goodness. She is just having a blast.
Too funny. He's like, oh boy, that's tight. Let's stay in the open area.
Hey, think about all these leaves, huh? Good girl. I guess her runabout's over.
I guess so. It's okay. So funny. All right, that's it. See ya.